Kittl recently rolled out some new templates that I'm really liking. I see a lot of potential in both using them to promote our own businesses. I'll show you how I'd go about doing that, and using them to essentially sell a service that you don't need to be an expert graphic designer to sell, because of how easy Kittl makes it, number one, to just create quality designs, but number two, of course, I've talked about this before, using their templates as a jumping off point to make some really high quality stuff. I'll talk about where I might market this service and how much I'd go charging for it in this video, so let's get right to it. So let's get started. We're gonna jump right into Kittl. If you're not on Kittl yet, make sure to use the link in the description. You can create a free account and follow along. So now that I'm logged in, I can go ahead where it says search for templates. Let's say that I want to use Instagram to hopefully build brand awareness for my personal apparel brand or whatever it is I'm trying to sell. I can go ahead and I can type in Instagram, okay? And bring up a bunch of Instagram optimized templates, or I could just even keep it broader and just type in marketing, or simply select marketing from the default options. And it's gonna give us a bunch of marketing templates that are created by people with more graphic design ability than I have, which enables me to create some beautiful ads. Check this one out. Talking about ice cream here. All I had to do there was click it, and it's gonna load all of these up into different artboards here in Kittl that I can simultaneously manipulate for whatever I'm selling. You know, I don't actually sell ice cream, but it's okay because I can just click in, delete the ice creams, right? Delete the text if I want to, since it's kind of following the curve of the ice cream, and I could upload my t-shirt design right there, change the word ice cream to t-shirt, and you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to do here. Now I wanted to show you that they've got, you know, just so many templates. I hand selected a few to show you here. This one can be used for Instagram ads for apparel drops. This one can be a nice, it doesn't have to be an ad, by the way. It could just be organic posts, right? Whether you choose to promote them or not, you know, to pay to show up in people's feeds or not, completely up to you. One of the benefits of that though is they can click it and go straight to where the product can be purchased. So you've got the summer sale. Obviously, if you want to use the summer sale, all you have to do, click use this design. And you know, if you're running a promotion, but you say, oh, 50% off, that's a little too steep, you can go ahead, click into the 50%, change it to, you know, 30% off, right? Whatever you want it to be, it's that simple. Google ad banners here. If you want to run Google ads, if you're on Shopify or wherever it is that you're selling, never a bad idea. Again, it's a game of visibility. If you don't have eyeballs on your stuff, nobody can buy it. They don't know it exists, right? A few more streetwear ads here. Just some generic templates here for posts and stories. Okay, if you guys didn't know, you want to be doing both of those on social media. It's really just about getting eyeballs on whatever it is that you've got to sell. Now, even if you don't have a personal brand and have things to sell, it's okay, right? Because you can benefit from Kittl having created all of these templates that you saw here on the homepage. Again, all I did was type in marketing. Okay, I wanted to show you one more time how to get to these. There's so many different templates you can leverage, and they're easy to customize. Change the text, change the colors, change the images. How about going to Fiverr? Okay, I don't know how much time your money is worth, but if you guys have signed up for my free mini course, the first email you get, the first one, just says, figure out how much money your time is worth. Have I been saying it backwards the whole time? How much money is your time worth? How much are you making in a year? Divide that by 365, figure out your dollars per day. Because some people might think, oh, selling on Fiverr's beneath me. But is it really beneath you? Like, figure out how hard it is using Kittl's templates here to create some really nice, you know, finished products for your customer for social media marketing, and then go market it on a place like Fiverr where people go to hire people just like you with your skill set that Kittl's enabling. So you can go to Fiverr, just type in Instagram. Okay, you don't have to get specific. Let's see what's out there, right? I'll remove fake bots. All right. I will professionally manage and grow your Instagram. Let's see, professionally grow your Instagram, Facebook ads. Then maybe we say Instagram post. Okay. I will design unique Instagram posts from 20 bucks. I will design attractive social media carousel posts from $10. I will create 10 attractive Facebook and Instagram posts, $25. The one behind me, I will do social media posts, Facebook ad creatives, images, Instagram posts from $45. How much money is your time worth? If it takes you 20 to 30 minutes to make 45 bucks, I think you're doing pretty well there. On average, if I had to guess based on just how much money people generally make, even in America, right? The average salary, again, figure out dollars per day, then divide that by the number of hours you work in a day and figure out how much money your time is truly worth if you're really about it and you're willing to go out there and do non-traditional things, right? Because what do you see on Fiverr? It's a bunch of go-getters. It's not a, streamlined passive way of making money, generally speaking. It is a lot of like transactional, hey, before someone even hires you, they'll reach out. Hey, can you do this? Yes, I can do that. Check out right here, offer this or order this package specifically. If you guys have ever used Fiverr, I'm sure you've seen there's like the basic, the standard, and the premium packages, which by the way, room for upsells. Why would you not offer an upsell? So if it starts at 45 bucks, standard jump to 120, look at the premium package, 240 bucks. Like there's money to be made here. Fiverr is one option. By the way, you can go to Craigslist as well, offer your services here. If you don't believe me, I'm gonna go to search Craigslist. I'm just gonna type in Instagram. Let's see what pops up, okay? Social media, ad management, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. It kind of looks spammy, but it is what it is. I'm just saying, guys, like people do use Craigslist to market their services. Why wouldn't you? If you're really hungry, if you're really about getting this money, Kittl's giving us the tools. It could not be easier to create these custom creatives tailored to what the customer needs, like change the color scheme, change the font, add their graphics, you know what I mean? Kittl's got the AI background remover built in. If they send you a crappy photo, it's like, okay, AI, please, boop, remove the background, vectorize it if you need to, change the color schemes. Jumping back into the ice cream example too, I always like to remind you guys too that you can use the little project colors thing in the bottom right corner, and you can change the whole like color palette of something, just instantly. You guys see what I'm doing here? In the bottom right corner, I just went to the color palettes, and it can literally change the whole vibe of the creative just like that. You know what I mean? All in one instant. I think this stuff is super cool. And like if you use Kittl to create, when you use Kittl to create these projects for your customers, like send them multiple options using the project colors here, because it's so easy to do. Just take a quick screenshot, okay? Or however you want to deliver it before you do the final handoff. Say, hey, I made a couple different options. This is a more summery, fun, or let's just use the names. This is a more minty version. This is a more retro summer version. This one's like a cloudy version. This is a cold forest version. Let me know which color scheme is your preference and I'll hand it off. You know that Fiverr also allows tips, right? So that's a great way to get tips on Fiverr. Craigslist, who knows? Maybe you will, maybe you won't. Even Upwork, you can go to Upwork, search something like Instagram marketing, social media posts, etc., and realize there are people getting hired here that do this stuff on a day in and day out basis as well. All I'm saying is there's so many ways to make money. There's really no excuse, you know what I mean? And why not dip your toes in all of these things as long as it can be easy, which is exactly what Kittl enables. Like even if Kittl didn't have these templates, guys, it's so easy to use and so intuitive, right? But now they have the templates combined with that. And even if you have no graphic design experience, how hard is it to use this as a jumping off point, right? Change the colors, change the text, change the images to your customer specifications. And next thing you know, you got a whole new income stream. Is it passive? This in this video was not that passive, right? I don't know, unless you outsource it, hire people to do it for you, which you could do, right? You saw the pricing on Upwork, little arbitrage there. They were charging like between $3, $4, and $5 an hour. If you can do that and charge 45 bucks for a gig on Fiverr and have them fulfill it, guys, I mean, I'm just saying, opportunity, it's knocking, all right? Opportunity is knocking. The money's there. You know what I mean? Commerce is happening every day with or without us. This is just another way you can go get your piece of the pie. I love talking about it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments. Let the YouTube algorithm know by hitting that like button. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you soon with a new video.